You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say Japan in Japanese? So, the name of the country. How do the Japanese refer or call their own country? They don't say Japan. Japan is a Western word. It means the sun's origin. The most common way to say Japan in Japanese is Nihon. So that's your word on the left here, Nihon. And that's the most common one. Sometimes, occasionally, some people may refer to it as Nippon. Nippon, okay, with a P. But most generally, Nihon or Nippon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.